Hey there, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We're here performing a gutter clean for this property here, and just wanted to point out a few things that we did before we did the gutter cleaning. So we had to battle with a number of the branches and trees up there. So we went ahead and did a pretty good trimming. This whole entire area was just full of branches, so I went ahead and trimmed those and got a pile of them sitting right there ready to be bundled up. And then we went ahead and flushed out the whole entire gutter system and the downspouts as well. Have pretty clogged, so it was good that we were here. And a couple of other things that we did. This gutter here was not very full. More or less, it was just roofing debris, roofing granulars, and some type of shingle stuff that came off the roof. Maybe it was from the last replacement. So we went ahead and power flushed these gutters out here, downspouts here. And as a bonus clean, we also cleaned out the gutters on the garage as well. And all these gutters over here cleaned out really nice, power flushed from the top, and got all those gutters cleaned, power flushed from the top. A lot of debris on the house after we got done using the pressure washer to clean the gutters out, so we had to do a lot of rinsing of the debris on the house, and so that got cleaned up really nice. So a few things that we noticed on the shingles. It looks like there's a few different types of shingles on the house, even over here as well. And when we start seeing the lichen and the moss develop on the shingles there, that's a sign that the shingles are having roots grown into them, and when those lichens die, they pull granulars off and could be more of a problem than necessary. So highly suggest to get the shingles cleaned. On this side here, a shingle cleaning on a few spots on the roof here would be a good idea. And starting to see some degeneration on these shingles here, as far as the fiberglass showing, enamel granulars in the gutter, and a conditioning treatment would be a good idea at this point to allow the shingles to expand and contract. So my name is Eddie, Multi-Man Services, owner operator. We were here, we got everything cleaned off, all the driveways and walkways cleaned of the debris, and should be in good shape. Any questions you have about our service, don't hesitate to reach out to me, and we can get you taken care of. If you're in the Beloit, Wisconsin, Roscoe, Rockford, Lake Geneva, Fontana, Madison area, even the way up to Waunakee, we specialize in gutter debris removal, low pressure soft washing, roof maintenance, and pressure washing. So this is a picture of our new equipment that we use on a regular basis to perform a high level of service for our clients. So we're going to go ahead and put a gift card in the door there, so when you get home, you're going to be excited to get that gift. And anything else that comes up, feel free to call or text me on my cell, 815-520-6020. Have a great day.